boy.
No, that's great. So you boys are quietly just chewing on your own toys, huh? You're gonna save this for posterity. And one day, when you go to prom, Mommy's gonna bust this out and show it to your date. And then you're gonna be home by curfew. Because nobody's gonna want to stay out with a boy like that. Yep. Look. Dominic.
Dominic,
He's like. It's okay, Ellie.
Okay,
Ellie.
Dominic.
It's totally fine. Look at Sergey like, aww.
I know. Sergey, take the other one. Yeah, there, take it back. Dominic, let him have it. Let him take it. There you go. There you go.
So what they're passing around is the Russian Winnie Pooh. Winnie the Pooh.
Oh.
It's like in the Soviet times they had the cartoon Winnie the Pooh, but it was, you know, not the American one. Wait.
It's okay, it's okay, it's okay.
This is great.
He's like, let me play his head.
All right.
Keep playing with him.
I think we're good.